Time for the weather now with Wendy, and it couldn't be further than Brazil. Wendy, what's happened, you brave soul standing there in the snow?
My feet are like little blocks of ice. No, completely different from Brazil. Since 11 o'clock this morning, Luton has had a stubborn temperature of 0. And it felt even colder than that in the wind. It felt more like -6 because the winds are coming from a northeasterly direction. So I think it's safe to say that winter returns to us here throughout this week. And it's all because the warm air that we had to end last week that gave us just a little glimpse of what it could be like in spring is being shoved out of the way by the colder air across the continent coming in from the east, and it's going to take something to shift that dense cold air. So this is setting in for the week, I'm afraid. Now, we've had winter flurries all the way through the day, quite consistently in most parts, in fact. It hasn't really settled in anywhere else but the grass and the higher ground, but it hasn't caused any trouble with the transport system. But of course, everything underfoot's going to freeze, and there is a bit of moisture around. Temperatures will fall to around -2, so watch out for 1 or 2 icy stretches into tomorrow morning. So we start tomorrow on that cold note. There might be a bit of hazy sunshine around first thing, but we're just watching a little feature that comes in from the north, brought in on those strong winds once again, that will give us perhaps more wintry flurries in a few places and could give us a couple of centimetres perhaps over the Chilterns and the Downs, even on the top of Parliament Hill, for example. Temperature's not much more than 5 degrees. And it's a similar mix on Wednesday as well. Yes, some sunny spells, but also some winter showers here and there. And we're just watching at the moment what happens on Thursday, because those showers could become more frequent and a little heavier. And it's then that we could start to get some of that snow settling even on the roads and the pavement. So it is going to be a cold week, and we're not out of the woods even through to Friday as well. You can see the temperatures there, just 2 or 3 degrees. A very, very cold north and northeasterly wind as well. And yes, the wintry flurries are back, and they're here for the next few days at least, Riz.
Hurry back inside. Wendy, thank you.